so supposedly we can run this thing over. Let's put it to the test. Let's hope we don't break any SD cards. There's a car coming. So this was one of the highest rated SD card holders on Amazon. Yeah, so this will hold 12 SD cards and 12 micro SD cards. This is the Big Daddy. All right, wow, okay. So inside the box, dear valued customer, thank you so much. Oh, they just changed brands. It used to be Cora, now it's Kior Photo. They changed it July 1st. They changed their brand name. Okay, cool. The keychain piece, which goes around here. I'm not gonna put that on. And then let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, look at that. That's pretty dope. All right, cool. So we got tons and tons of SD cards. So whether you have just the big SD, or you have like, you could do a micro. How does the micros fit in there? Okay, nice. You could do a micro. I guess potentially you could fit 12 SDs, micro SDs, and then 12 micro SDs within an SD adapter too. But you have a couple options. Let's go ahead and load this up. There you have it. Nice SD cards in there. There goes like $300, $400 worth of SD cards in here. Cool. I mean, it's definitely a cool way to store them, especially if you have a lot. I mean, this is kind of excessive, but even with, you know, a dozen or so cards, it totally works, whether you have 4 cards, 5 cards. I mean, it's a small investment to save your cards. Especially if you start getting into, like, you have so many different devices, or you're into photography or something like that, you know, you definitely want your data safe, and this is one way to do it. So now we're gonna test it based on what we saw on the website. All right, so supposedly we can run this thing over. Let's put it to the test. Let's hope we don't break any SD cards. Oh, there's a car coming. Alright, we're gonna wait a second. Here's the aftermath of the car. You can see like where this was on the ground and the rocks took a big chip out of it. And on the side there. The biggest thing is the actual clip got all bent, but it still works. And it looks way worse on the outside than it does when you open it up. As you can see, the inside is still fine. They reinforced it there with these 2 little pieces. I guess that also helps clip it in. But because it's all reinforced, it only really looks bad on this outside clip right here. This side is fine, as you can see, like no dents whatsoever. And then this side though, you can see that it got dented a little bit. The carabiner is still fine, still holds it. And the hinges on the back, no issues whatsoever. The SD cards inside, as you see, SD cards are still good. Seal is still good. But now we gotta put the seal to the test. I'm actually gonna pull these out for this test because I do not want to get these SD cards wet. That does not sound like a fun video to me. So let's go ahead and shut it, and we can just judge if it's waterproof or not based on if it gets wet inside. So let's bring in our Pyrex container filled with water. In 3, 2, 1, lift off. So it floats. So there you go, already really cool, it floats. So if you're on a boat and you drop it, you can kayak to it and get it. Let's submerge it. Let's hold it for 10 seconds. 1, Mississippi, 2, Mississippi, 3, Mississippi, 4, uh-oh, I see bubbles. 4, 5, Mississippi, 6, Mississippi. Bubbles are not a good idea. 8, Mississippi, 9, Mississippi, 10, Mississippi. All right, let's pull it out. All right, let's move this aside. Here we go. Wow, completely dry inside, guys. So the bubbles, I think, were just coming out from the, what is this called? The hinge, yeah. They were just coming out from the hinge part there. But not bad at all. None of it penetrated the foam. And again, it floats, so you shouldn't have to worry about it being submerged and the bubbles coming out of it. I'm sure if this goes down 100 feet, you're screwed. So anyways, with all that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. No SDs were harmed in the making of this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.